up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? We is here in Georgia. We is actually here. Look. He just loving us. Oh my God, I want a flurry dog like that. Hi, Boogie. Come here, boy. Oh my God. So we are here in Georgia. We is about to be shooting and we about to be just vibing, like, you feel me? So guys, before you guys do anything, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification below. Guys, this is Auntie right here. Auntie Jennifer. Hey. Hey, you guys. So, oh, hold on. I gotta know what's going on. Yeah. So guys, we got the guns ready. We gonna be going in. I'm super excited. This is new. I've never done it in my life. So Auntie Jennifer's getting me out my comfort zone, you know.
That's right, we gangster.
Yeah, with it. Wait, let's do a little thumbnail. Gorgeous. Say what's up to YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
What's going on, y'all? So we're super excited. I'm looking for my mom because she's supposed to be here. Like, Miss Bonnie's supposed to be here. Other than that, we good. Look at how it looks. It's so pretty. Like, oh my God, this is so different. I'm super excited to show you guys what we're gonna be doing. But before we guys end this, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification button because more content is heading your way. We is here. My dog is here. Look at the baddie. It's the baddies here. Okay. What's going on? Nice to meet you. You guys, we here. We gonna be lit. You already know the vibes. Hey, the fam is here. That's it. Everything's gonna be lit already.
Glad to see you. You thought you was going somewhere crazy.
All right, I'm about to play football. I'm gonna see y'all later. I'm nervous.
She about to shoot a gun.
I've been shooting guns, y'all, but this is different. Oh my God, I'm nervous.
No, don't be nervous. It was actually so easy. Like, I was scared. It doesn't cock back like you think. Like, it doesn't kick
your
back.
chest or nothing?
No,
Okay.
it was actually pretty easy.
Oh my God.
And like what he said about just looking to the bead, it's like makes it so easy. Like, you got it. Hey, it's such a beautiful day, guys.
It
Come
really
on.
is.
We are so blessed. God bless.
Have you ever shot?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Safety? All right. Same thing. You don't want to be able to see this. All you want to do is see that. See this, drop your face down. See, now you should be able to just see that.
Hold on.
I'll help you out. Now raise your head up. See, now you see the top of it. Drop it down. Now you only see the little dot, right?
I see the dot.
But you don't see this.
I see that still.
I'll drop it down some more. No, you got to crouch. Just drop your face down.
Okay, I see it.
Okay, you good? All right, here we go. Let me know you're ready. You need help you hold that up right here?
Dang, this is heavy.
You need help you hold it up?
Yeah.
Okay, you let me know where to stop. All right, just let me know when you're ready.
I'm not stable.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Hold on. Ready.
Do it.
Hold on.
Woo! She did it! Oh, slay! First try.
Good for you. That's awesome.
Girl, let's go.
Hey guys, we're at the farm. We're on a church retreat, and I said it right. We just shot guns. Yeah, we just shot guns. And we're by the pond. And we're by some dogs. We're gonna go fishing. Show the dogs. Show the dogs.
Let's see the doggies.
Chocolate.
It's two of them. There's one right there. If you guys see them.
We want to live on a farm.
Literally.
It's
Literally.
so beautiful out here.
Oh my God, what if we have like our own plantation and we literally just live down the road? Hey girl, I'm down the road.
street.
Yeah.
Y'all can come to my house. I'm gonna have horses, cows, ducklings, everything.
Oh, first shot.
I just hit it on the first try.
Ah, period. As she should.
Okay, I'm ready.
You ready?
Look, she in a dress and all, y'all.
All right, shoot it.
Did I get it?
Oh. You'll try it again? You'll try it again?
Yeah.
All right. Here, I'm going to help you. Okay. All right. Go ahead and do it. All right, Grace. All right.
Get the beat on the orange.
Right there on that orange.
It's on the orange for you right now?
That's pretty dang close. All right, shoot. Oh, one more time. You almost had it.
Okay.
One more time. You almost had it. All right, here we go. One more time. I think you gave it to me. You're scared now. All right. Right on. You're close. Shoot.
Whoop, whoop.
Thank you.
Whoop, whoop. How that make you feel?
That was so fun.
Oh my God. How that made you feel, girl?
I feel great. Like, that was so fun. Did
Yes.
you get it?
Mhm.
I saw that.
Oh my God.
Round 2. Close.
You're right on. Go time to charge.
Get out the fire though.
Yes! I'm with.
Brian,
Yes.
she did super great.
Really?
Yeah, you did.
Tell
You
them
did.
what we did, what range we did and
She
everything.
shot skeet for the first time, and she hit one in the air. First time she ever shot. That's incredible. That's awesome.
Really?
Yeah, super great.
You guys, we just had a whole photo shoot.
We did.
This is the one right here.
Okay, but you did really good.
I do a little
Insert
song.
pictures here.
We gonna see it.
Yeah.
You guys, this was different. This was so awesome. Like, I'm super excited.
And there's more to come.
Yup. Be
already
on the
know.
lookout. I'm so excited. So we headed back. We're going to dinner.
Yes.
And
I think it's barbecue.
I hope so.
Yeah.
I hope it's something good. Something with seasoning.
Yeah, please. I just want good mac and cheese.
That's it. Like, I want the cheese to be so cheesy. Like.
It will be. We'll show y'all when we get there.
Yes. All right, guys. So we're heading out. Ooh, sun is out. Up YouTube. We are in this palace, as we always will be. Look at it. Like, look at it. It's giving.
There's not much other people can do to us in comparison that should merit us not on the floor.
What's up, YouTube? We are in a old home. This is like an original, like look at the old picture. Look at the picture. Wow. So we're in an actual like a farmer's home. Look at the actual farming stuff. Look at the tables. Like, look at it when you come inside. Like, look at the original people who actually came here. I don't think you guys can see it. You see it? Look at what they got. Like, look at the stuff in the horns. We are officially done for the day. I think everybody kind of low-key left. But I'm not going to say anything. But, hey, you guys, I'm going to go find my friends, and we out.
Actually, I have to sing it. I'm on race, dude.
I'm on
Acapella
clapping hands.
again?
I'm on clapping hands and harmonizing.
Ready? A 1, 2, 3, 4.
My baby don't mess around because you love me so, unless I know for sure. But does she really want to? It's fantasy to walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, cause we don't know how. Come on. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. We are heading home for for the night. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are heading home. We just had a musical. This tonight was just nothing but peace and just love and tranquility. Guys, before you guys do anything, before you leave, thank you so much for watching the end of this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification buttons. More content is on the way. And share with a friend. Let them join this royal family. We got so much content on the way. But I'll see you guys later.